In today's forecast, we're going to talk about the winter storm that's going to impact the United States in less than 24 hours. So let's get right into it. So it looks like it's going to start snowing on Saturday at like 1 a.m., maybe Friday at 6 p.m. In the Texas Panhandle and Oklahoma Panhandle. It's going to start to reach Oklahoma City around 9 p.m. and then finally reach the Kansas, Missouri, and Arkansas area. And then this will kind of break down, and then we'll see a break in the snow and ice and all that. We'll see some flurries maybe for all of Missouri, maybe even nothing, and then we'll see another round come in. I think Springfield, Missouri, and Tulsa, Oklahoma is going to get the heaviest of this, and then that's going to move out of the area as a stronger low pressure system. We'll still see some ice all the way up there into the Pennsylvania area, and we can see up to 18 inches of snow in the New England area. So definitely be ready for that. Then it will stay pretty calm. Not much will happen after this. You probably been looking, on YouTube, social media, and all that, and people are saying like 18 inches. People are saying different things, but now we're locked in on it's gonna hit in less than 24 hours on snowfall totals. So let's get right into the snowfall totals. I think if you live anywhere from Amarillo all the way up to Springfield, Missouri, you can see up to a foot of snow, especially places like Oklahoma City. I think you can see, maybe 14 inches in some of those places. Then all the way up to northern Kentucky, you can see a foot of snow. And then all in the northeast United States, up to 18. This says 15 up there near Lake Erie, 13 in Pennsylvania. So definitely be ready for that. So this is, a historic winter storm. So, by the way, I live in southern Missouri, Springfield, Missouri, so I will be able to post about this storm because I'm getting impacted by it. It says I'm supposed to get around 8 inches of snow, so make sure to like and subscribe with the notification bell on. Now we're looking at total freezing rain. So I think Shreveport, you can see around up to an inch of freezing rain. Dallas, you can see up to an inch of freezing rain as well. Jackson, Mississippi, I think you can see over an inch and a half of freezing rain. Then up there in northeastern Georgia, you can see up to 2 inches of freezing rain. So definitely be ready for that. And by the way, that's going to move all the way up into the northeastern United States. Now we're looking at some of the temperatures. This is how cold I think it's going to get on Saturday for all these people. So I think southern Missouri, you're going to see temperatures like in the single digits around Saturday. So is Kansas, and then as you go to Oklahoma, Arkansas, and northern Texas, I think we can see temperatures in the teens. And then the real cold blast will come in on the 26th. -7 degrees in southern Missouri, so is northern Arkansas. Places like Amarillo, Texas, we can see -2 degrees. And then far southern Texas, we can still see temperatures in the lower 40s, but it's going to get really cold. Look up there in Minnesota. We can see temperatures like -20 degrees, so definitely be ready for that. Now we're looking at some of the wind chills. This is what makes it dangerous. Look up there in the northern U.S. We can see temperatures, real feel temperatures, like -50 degrees. So definitely be ready for that. And then that real cold blast that's gonna come in makes places like southern Missouri feel like -20. So does might feel like 17 degrees in southern Texas. -12 in the northern Texas, same as Oklahoma City, all of Kansas. We can see, -14 degrees. This is wind chills, so keep that in mind. So the whole entire Ohio Valley into the southern plains, we can see temperatures in the single digits into the, around -10. This is on wind chills, so definitely be ready for that. So this cold blast is going to be brutal. All right, now we're looking at some of the alerts. So you see this pink in the middle. I'm actually right in the middle of that. This is a winter storm warning. You see that violet purple color right there? That is an extreme cold warning and a winter storm warning. Then if you zoom in a little, this right here, one sec. Yeah, this right here is an ice storm warning. They could expand this soon. And then this whole lighter blue area up here in the northeast United States and the eastern United States, this is all a winter storm watch. Up here, this is a extreme cold warning. You see this huge blob. So definitely, be ready for some very cold weather. So that's kind of all the alerts you need to know about. That's about it for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more updates.